Okay, so short notice, but I appreciate it.
That's okay. No worries.
Everything is good. Kids are good. Fridge, help yourself to everything. We had a little bit of trouble with water, so just so you know, it might be a little iffy.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Thanks so much.
No problem.
Bye.
You can't have that. Why not? But your mother said I could have anything in this fridge. She lied. I don't believe that. Hi, I'm Layla. I'm your sibling's babysitter.
Hi, I'm Cameron.
You play guitar?
Yeah, I do.
You any good?
I'm pretty good.
Show me the song.
Alright. You want my Vespa, I want your Vespa. You want me, so I want your Vespa.
Oh, you are good.
Thank you. My parents don't trust me.
I wonder why. Adios.
Oh, see ya.
Wanna make it?
Hey, little man. You Carter?
Yeah.
Is that a real fish?
No, it's a fake one.
Ah.
You can tell because
Where'd
I'm
you get
holding
it?
My grandma.
Really?
Yeah!
Give me a high five.
Ow!
Can I try that?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh,
Don't hit that.
my bad.
Man, I'm thirsty. Yeah, this is so good.
Wow, little man, how'd you do this?
I'm really good. Practice makes perfect. I'm crazy.
We have to leave. We have to go. We need to leave. Why?
I warned you. I warned you about the fridge. He drank from the fridge.
What happens? What does that mean?
Anytime someone drinks from the fridge, they go crazy. I gotta go.
Yeah, she does that a lot. She watches too much conspiracy videos.
Yeah, I get that. Let's
Yeah.
get back to this.
They're really bad. I don't watch them.
Did you hear that?
What?
Here, pull this. Oh my god. Oh my god, she was right. No pulse. Carter, we have to go. Carter, we have to go. Carter, go! Carter, go! That's Carter. help him. Carter! I'm thirsty. It's cold. How is her, Nani? I heard great things about her.
Oh yeah. She's at her house.
Keep on. Keep.